It's a 5.5 pound pack of small pork spare ribs that we'll be trimming, washing and seasoning, and I'll come back and show you how we do that. Alright.
You ready? But which one am I stand? You have to get that vision to make you stand, you know.
Okay. Hold on. Why?
Can I start with something?
Start.
And he's taking some.
Okay, it's taking some of the fat, trimming some of the fat from the pork spare ribs there. Still trimming. Okay, so he's about to put it in the container. He's finished trimming it and he's gonna put it in the container to get it washed. Squeezing the lime. Alright, so he's squeezing the lemon on it. You got me right, it's lemon, not lemon and not lime. It's a cross between a lemon and lime, so it's called a lemon. I'll do another video on that at some point and also show you the lemon tree in the backyard. So he's now putting the water on and he's gonna rinse it or wash it. We say wash it with the lemon, and we'll come back and show you when it's finished.
That's good enough.
Okay.
That's good enough.
That's good enough. So you're gonna pour that water off now, and then catch some fresh water and rinse it again.
And then I'm gonna put some more lime on it.
Okay.
There's more lime here. There's more lime here.
Lemon.
Or lemon or whatever you call it, but I'm gonna put some more of that on it.
Alright.
You ready for some pour it out?
Putting fresh water on it to rinse off the lemon juice. Then when he's done rinsing it or washing it, then he's gonna put some more, put a little bit of lemon juice on it to help with the rawness. Alright, so he's cutting into another lemon and he's gonna squeeze half of that lemon onto the pork ribs. Pouring it in his fingers to kind of sieve the seeds out. This lemon is very seedy.
What does he want to say?
No, it's fine. Okay, so it's rubbing the lime juice all over.
After it's been washed.
After, yeah.
Washed already.
After the second washing. And he's gonna let that lime juice sit on the meat. He's not gonna pour it off. Okay, so we'll come back and show you when he's adding the seasonings to the meat. Alright, so he's about to add the seasonings. He's gonna add the powdered seasonings first. He's adding some paprika. Alright, go ahead. So he's adding a bit of paprika.
This is pimento.
He's now adding some pimento. And I'll do another video on that. I'll show you how the whole pimento looks. I think they call it allspice here, but we call it pimento. Colloquial pronunciation, pimento. Now he's adding some black pepper. Okay, now it's time for the garlic powder. And like I said before, unless we're using a specific recipe, you know, we don't really measure anything. We just eyeball everything. We judge it. I'm gonna add now some Old Bay seasoning. He's adding now some Old Bay seasoning. What is that? Some Lawry's?
Seasoning salt.
He's adding now some Lawry's seasoning salt. All these aromas tickling my nostrils. Okay, so now he's about to add some natural, what we call natural seasoning. Okay, so he's about to add some natural seasoning. I think it's 2 stalks of green onion we call Eskellion. What is it? Of course, we know the correct name is Eskellion. And also a half of a large onion and about 4 cloves of garlic. That's what's in that mixture there. That's going in. Alright, so he's about to grate about a piece of ginger. It's about the size of your thumb. Grating the ginger into it. Be careful, you don't want to cut your finger. Ginger adds a very nice flavor to stews and pork, and even when in jerk, and even when you're doing like curry. Usually back home they put a little bit of ginger in the curry. They say so that it does not disagree with your stomach or makes you sick, especially if you're having trying a curry dish for the first time. Baby, so. So he's now rubbing all that natural seasoning and bottled seasonings, and the ginger just grated in there. Grated in there, whatever. And we have one last ingredient that he's going to add. That's gonna kick it up a notch. And when we come back, we're gonna show you that ingredient. Alright, so we're about to add that special ingredient that I told you about, this drum roll, and it's jerk seasoning.
Okay, so the jerk seasoning there.
Alright, we usually use the Walker's wood because, you know, we prefer the Walker's wood, but we couldn't get any Walker's wood, so we have to go with the Grace jerk seasoning this time around. Alright, how many teaspoons do you want on it, Kevin? 3. Alright, so that's 1, 2.
Oh, that's the camera.
We have added the 3 teaspoons of the jerk seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna now.
Too spicy.
Yes, Kevin does not like it spicy. So I'm gonna dig in with my hands and rub it up. Some persons will not do this, and I would not advise you to do it either, because your hands are going to be burning for about an hour or so. You have to make sure that you wash your hands properly. So I'm going to be rubbing in all that jerk goodness into this pork spare ribs. All around it, man. Okay. That's enough, right? We'll spread it evenly all around.
On the taste your finger, that's it. Taste if it tastes salt enough.
Oh no, you're not supposed to do that. You're gonna get salmonella poisoning.
Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't recommend that you do that at all. You didn't put enough salt on it?
I think so.
Well, if you taste it, you just take a finger and tip it. Just put the finger at the tip of your tongue, and then you have to just spit it out.
Alright, can't stop it now.
And then wash your mouth out.
Stop it now.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Look at that. Oh, is that beautiful? Then we're gonna let it sit overnight in the. We're gonna leave it out for a couple of hours, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge, the bottom of the fridge, in a Ziploc bag, and let it marinate overnight, and then we're gonna put it on the grill. Kevin's gonna put it on the grill, so we'll show you when we put it on the grill, give you a look at the process, the grilling process, and then we're gonna finish up and make a meal of it, and also show you that as well. Okay, thank you for watching so far.